Good afternoon, everyone. It's New Jersey Garden. Today I'm going to be cleaning up a catmint plant. I had cut this back in the fall, somewhat in the fall, but not enough, and it looks like a big mess right now. So I'm going to just clean this up and let you see how it looks afterwards. The pruners that I use for this are something like these. These are Fiskars. I've actually gone through several pairs of pruners over the years, and I am probably going to be ordering another pair shortly, and I can show you that. But this is just what I use to trim, you know, some of the thicker stemmed flowers and shrubs in the yard. So I'm going to be using this to trim the catmint bush, and I'm going to trim it pretty far back. You can see the new growth coming through right here. So I'm going to trim it all the way back to the new growth. So as you can see, it looks a lot cleaner now, and you can see all that growth that's already popping up, and that will be blooming in just about a month. This year we're going to be mulching. We hadn't mulched in a few years, so there was a lot of weed barrier that's exposed, and it will look a lot nicer when we mulch in a few weeks. As I was clearing that away, I saw that we have Liatris, some Liatris seedlings popping up here. So I'm going to also just go in with my pruners and just trim out some of these woody stalks. So now we can actually see all those Liatris buds coming up. And this blooms for me in late June and early July through July, so I'm excited for that. I had moved a few of the Liatris around the garden this past fall. And I wanted to show you this tool that I use quite often for just kind of loosening up the soil and for pulling up weeds. It's just a stainless steel hand rake or like hand cultivator, and I use it quite a bit for digging up weeds, and I find it pretty useful. It's pretty old, but I use that all the time. So I'm just going to continue cleaning up the garden. Thank you so much for watching.